Today, I'll show you 10 genius home hacks using things you already have around the house. That's right, you don't need to run out and buy expensive tools or specialized equipment. Many of the solutions are right at your fingertips. We'll tackle squeaky doors, stripped screws, those frustrating fasteners that just won't budge, clogged drains, the bane of every homeowner's existence, and more. We're talking about simple, effective solutions for a range of common household problems. No need to call a professional. Save your money and learn to do it yourself. These are clever, science-backed solutions. We're using proven methods to get real results. That'll change how you see your home. You'll start looking at your house not as a source of endless problems, but as a playground for your newfound DIY skills. We're turning ordinary items, things you probably already have in your pantry or bathroom, like potatoes, yes, the humble potato, toothpaste, that minty fresh essential, and a wine opener. That's right, even your favorite wine tool has a secret life, into extraordinary tools. You'll be amazed at the creative ways you can repurpose these everyday objects. I've tested every hack myself, so you can be confident that they actually work. And they're real game changers. These aren't just quick fixes. They're long-term solutions that will make your life easier. Are you ready to take control of your living space and become the master of your domain? Let's dive in. Stick around for hack number 7. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. It's the one nobody believes, the one that sounds too good to be true, until they try it. And it's guaranteed to impress your friends and family. Find a plastic drywall anchor in your wall. Grab a corkscrew with a sharp tip. Twist the corkscrew into the center of the anchor. Pull straight out. The anchor slides out cleanly. Patch the small hole with spackle. Smooth and let dry. Done. No damage, no mess. Easy fix. Need to find a wall stud but don't have a stud finder. Tie a small, strong magnet to a necklace or string. Slowly sweep it across the wall where you want to hang something heavy. When the magnet snaps to the wall, you found a hidden screw and the stud. Move the magnet up or down to confirm the stud's path. Mark the spots with a pencil. Now you can drill with confidence, knowing you're hitting solid wood. No more guesswork or extra holes. It's quick, precise, and uses what you already have. Magnetic magic at its best. Let's keep going. Squeaky door driving you crazy? Skip the messy oil. Use talcum powder or cornstarch instead. Tap the hinge pin up just enough to create a gap. Sprinkle powder into the hinge, then tap the pin back down. Open and close the door a few times to work the powder in. The squeak disappears, no stains, no mess. The powder acts as a dry lubricant, reducing friction instantly. It's clean, fast, and totally effective. No more haunted house vibes. Tiny nail holes ruining your wall? Grab plain white toothpaste, not gel. Dab a small amount over the hole, smooth it with your finger or a flat edge. Wipe away excess with a damp cloth, let it dry, then touch up with paint if needed. On to the next hack. Struggling with messy caulk lines? Dip your finger in soapy water before smoothing the bead. The soap creates a barrier so caulk won't stick to your skin. Glide your finger along the caulk for a smooth, professional finish. Wipe away excess with a paper towel. No more lumpy, uneven lines. This trick works for sinks, tubs, and windows. It's simple, clean, and looks pro every time. Broken light bulb stuck in the socket? Don't risk a cut or shock. First, turn off the power at the breaker. Safety first. Cut a raw potato in half. Press the flat side firmly onto the broken bulb base. The potato grips the jagged glass and metal. Twist counterclockwise to unscrew the base safely. The broken bulb comes out embedded in the potato. No tools, no danger to your fingers. Dispose of the potato and bulb together. It's weird, but it works every time. Safe, simple, and stress-free. Never fear a broken bulb again. Next hack. Tired of cabinet doors slamming shut? Stick self-adhesive felt pads where the door meets the frame. Clean the spots first for better adhesion. The felt cushions the impact, absorbing sound and vibration. Close the door. Now it's a soft thump, not a bang. No more late-night noise or cabinet damage. It's a tiny fix with a big impact. Cheap, fast, and makes your kitchen feel high-end. Enjoy the peace and quiet. Let's move on. Loose screw won't tighten, the hole's stripped. Insert a few wooden toothpicks dipped in wood glue if you have it into the hole. Break them off flush with the surface. Drive the screw back in. The toothpicks give the screw new wood to grip. Tighten until snug. The screw is rock solid. No drilling, no bigger screws needed. Works for hinges, handles, and furniture. Quick, strong, and easy. Problem solved in seconds. Next up. Shower head spraying everywhere? Mineral buildup is the culprit. Fill a plastic bag with white vinegar and secure it over the shower head with a rubber band. Let it soak for an hour, or overnight for tough buildup. Remove the bag and run the water to flush out loosened deposits. Wipe with an old toothbrush if needed. Water flows straight and strong again. No scrubbing, no removal, no hassle. It's like a spa day for your shower head. Easy, effective, and chemical-free. Enjoy your upgraded shower. That's it. 10 mind-blowing hacks using everyday items. You're now ready to tackle annoying home problems like a pro. Blew your mind? Let me know in the comments, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY magic. Thanks for watching and happy hacking. See you next time.